People, today I want to start off by saying this. If you would like to get where you need to be, or where you desire to be, you need to stop getting in your own way. Please stop getting in your own way. Stop being that mountain, that hill, that obstacle, which you start complaining about 2 weeks later, a year later. All of that is down to yourself. There are many of you guys who are like me, who just naturally struggle to put ourselves out there, who like to talk about what we do, who really, show people what we're capable of. There are many of you guys who struggle to really promote ourselves like that. But all that means is we're getting in our own way. And so when, I'm not making enough sales for my smartwatches, or I'm not, seeing my YouTube channel grow, or I'm not seeing results where I'd like to see results. All of that is me getting my own way. I can promote myself more. I can talk about my stock options course. I can do so many things to put myself out there. But instead, I'm getting in my own way. I'm becoming that mountain that I'm trying to climb. I'm becoming the obstacles that I'm trying to surpass. What's going on, people? Back with a bang. This is The Money Management. Back here to bring you guys your money motivation just like every single Monday. Listen, you need to get out of your way. Get out of your way. You heard me, right? I didn't say that wrong. You need to get out of your own way. Now, in today's money motivation, I'm going to explain why you need to get out of your own way. I'm going to explain some realizations I've understood recently. And I'm going to explain a few different things about what you can do to get out of your own way this week and also going forward. Now, before we do that, people, you guys know the drill. Hit the thumbs up. Get out of your own way by hitting that thumbs up. Just get it done nice and early. Get it done right now. Of course, you should have had it done before you even started watching the video, but if you haven't, you still have a chance to do it now. So do that. Also, make sure to comment, let me know how you're going to get out of your own way going forward. And of course, share these videos with your friends. And if you're new around here, hit the beautiful red button below. Let's get ourselves to 1,900 subscribers. Now, today's topic. Well, I'm going to start off by saying this. Recently, I launched a stock options course, and I was pretty proud of what I've done in there. It is an options course made up of 3 different sections, 10 videos in total. Now, it's a brilliant course. I know it's really the and I think a lot of people will understand that after they've actually gone through it. Now, the reason behind today's message, why I'm saying this, I recently released that course. Now, here's the thing. Until I released it, I was thinking, you know what? I made these videos, I've done all the research, I've put everything I've learned into this package. But a lot of people, maybe they won't like it. Maybe people won't make as much money as me and they'll get a bit upset. Maybe people won't, see the winners and the returns they want to see. Maybe people expect to make 24,000 in a month or, 70,000 in a few months. And if they don't, they're going to be angry at me, blah, blah, blah. Listen, all that thinking is me getting in my own way. All that me saying, oh no, people are going to think that they wasted 69 bucks. People are going to be upset. People are going to be unhappy. People are going to come after me. All of that, no matter how far-fetched it sounds, all of that is me getting in my own way. And if you want to know how I realized this, well, yesterday I was speaking to one of my friends and I was explaining how I've had 11 sales so far on the stock options course. Now, she said, that's pretty good, nice, well done. And I was like, yeah, it's a 19.8 or whatever conversion rate. And she was like, what? That's brilliant. Like, that's ridiculous. And I was like, yeah, 54 people have come to my website and, clicked on a link and seen it. And she was like, 54 people, that's it. I was like, yeah, 54 people have come, got a 19% conversion rate. I've got 11 sales so far in the first few days. She was like, that's not something to be proud of. The sales is something to be proud of, but only 54 people come to your site. You're not promoting enough. You have a few thousand on, Instagram. You have a couple thousand on Twitter. You have a couple thousand on YouTube. And all of these people, by the way, are different people. So it's almost about 10,000 people in total. You've only had 54 people come to your website in the past few days. You're not promoting yourself enough. And I thought back to her, I said, I'm not sure. I've talked about it on YouTube a couple of times. I talked about it on a live stream. She's like, well, did you make an official video to let everyone know it's out? I was like, no. And I've thought back to 2 years ago in March when I did the same for my watches. I did an official video to show the launch. I did not do that this time. I checked my Instagram. Guess what? There's no link in the bio there. I checked my link in Twitter. There was a link to my link tree. And I'm thinking, you know what? I'm getting my own way here. I could have way more sales. I could be helping way more people, which is what I want to do. I could have so many more people learning about stock options, people who want to get invested in the market, but I'm not, all because I'm not promoting myself enough, all because I'm not talking about what I'm doing enough, all because I'm not putting myself out there. And in theory, to sum it all up, I'm getting in my own way. Now, many of you guys out there can relate to this message, and that's why I want you guys to listen to this message from start to finish. Listen to every word because I've got some valuable tips for you guys today. I don't care who you are. I don't care what you do. If you're a YouTuber, if you're a fitness instructor, if you're trying to work, I don't know, in a really high-end office, I don't know what it could be. There's so many different possibilities and things available out there. But whatever you're trying to do. If you're not there yet, guess what? You might think all these external factors are holding you back. You are in your own way. I have made some great sales, over the past few days, and I'm happy with that. But I want to help more people. I want to help hundreds, thousands of people. Right now I'm only helping a few people. I want many people to see how you can trade stock options easily and understand it from start to finish, have it explained and all there in one package for themselves to have on their laptop anytime. But 11 people out of millions and billions of people, I'm getting my own way of that. Why can I not help more people? Because I'm getting my own way. So you are probably in the same position, and I'm sure many of you guys out there can relate. I've never promoted a single YouTube video on any platform on social media. Again, I did explain to you guys, I have almost 10,000 people following all over social media. And not once have I posted a video on YouTube, linked to my YouTube channel, nothing across any of those platforms. And remember, I want to help people. So if I want to help people, but I'm not letting people be helped, well, I'm getting my own way. So right now, what I want to do for the next couple minutes is talk about my stock options course. So for those of you who are out there listening, for those of you who would like to know about it, for those of you who don't even care about it, I don't care. You guys are all going to hear it right now. So my stock options course, it is called Stock Options Starter Pack, SOSP, and it is 10 different videos split into 3 different sections. The first section is the history of options, call options, put options explained, buyer and seller perspectives. The second section is implied volatility, time decay, and the Greeks. So you have your delta, gamma, theta, all of that. And the third section is common trading strategies, my trading strategies, which helped me over the past few months, and of course, useful resources that you guys can use and useful resources that I have used, which I don't really talk about on YouTube. So my stock options course is a 3-section guide with 10 different videos covering over 3 hours of content. I believe it's the best on the market. I believe it's going to help many people make thousands of dollars over their lifetime, if not tens of thousands of dollars, if not hundreds of thousands of dollars. I believe that it's honestly unbelievable in there. And even better, I know for a fact I'm giving you guys thousands of dollars worth of content for, well, right now, $69. It's going to move up in price soon. I know some of you guys have DM'd me about that. I'm not going to say when, because obviously you're going to, finesse the system. But I'm giving you guys thousands of dollars worth of content and valuable information in a $69 package. Look, it's not difficult for me to come out and help you guys. I make YouTube videos all the time. But I don't know how many of you guys act on that advice, act on what I'm talking about in these videos. All I do know is when you guys pay for information, you'll take it more seriously, which is also why I've made this guide, so you guys have everything stored in one place. So again, my stock options course is out right now. It's available for $69. The price is going to go up soon, but indeed it has everything you guys need to get started with options. I don't care who you are, I don't care what you do. If you would like to get started with stock options, you can. And I've made that easy for you guys with this stock options starter pack. Also, if you want to be an affiliate for my course, you definitely can be. You get 50% commission. We split the pay 50-50, and the platform I'm on actually takes commission from me. So actually, you guys are making more for me off the sales you make. But tell me if you want to sign up to be an affiliate. You guys get your own link. We have about 7 or 8 affiliates now. We actually have more sales than affiliates, which is a bit strange to me. But yeah, tell me if you guys would like to be an affiliate. Just send me a DM, or you can feel free to drop your email in the comment section if you feel okay with that. But let me know if you want to be an affiliate. You get your own link, you can make money off my stock options course. It works for both of us. I'm telling you guys, I know what I have here, I know what I'm doing here, and I need to be promoting this more. I need to be putting myself out there more. My YouTube, my stock options course, whatever I have going on. Even my Instagram, go follow that. I'm going to drop that one at The Wealth Prince. Get us to 5,000 followers. Go follow my Instagram. I drop valuable content there every single day, but I don't think enough people see it. Why? Because I'm getting my own way. If I'm not posting, if I'm not talking about what I'm posting, if I'm not sharing myself on other platforms of social media, all I'm doing here is what is known as getting in the way. And whose way am I getting in? My own, again. So it means right now, you need to be responsible. You need to put yourself out there and say, you know what? I lost 30 pounds in 6 weeks, and I know the best way to do that. Whether you want to give out that information for free or you want people to pay for that information, I don't care. You need to stop getting your own way. Let people know about it. Put yourself out there, write articles, make videos about it, explain it to people, put yourself out there, promote yourself. How are people going to know if you don't go and tell people? Again, I'm going to tell you guys, my stock options course is out now. I'm going to keep saying that. There's nothing wrong with me promoting it. I'm going to drop it that first link in the description. I'm also going to put it in the comment section. Again, you can be an affiliate from me. Again, it's available for all you guys out there. But we all need to stop getting on our own way. That is the message of today's Money Motivation. That is what I want to really enforce today. It doesn't matter what you do. It doesn't matter what you're trying to do. If you're not getting that dream job, Are you really connecting enough on LinkedIn? Are you really networking enough? Are you really making the right phone calls? If you're not getting that house in real estate, if you're not even getting the house that you want to live in, your dream house, are you looking for the right people? Are you asking the right people? Are you speaking to people who have done what you want to do? For those of you out there who want to become successful when it comes to trading stock options, you're getting in your own way by not just spending $69, which is going to pay you back hundreds every week or every month. That $69, I can guarantee you guys, many of you guys will see it back within a few days. When you go through the course, when you actually look at the information properly, when you go through and analyze my biggest mistakes, my worst mistakes, and see how I actually profited, well, guess what? The $69 you spent or the 100 and whatever dollars you spent will be returned back to you within a week, within a couple of weeks. And I'm sure it will pay you for the rest of your life. So that is what I have to say today. Again, stop getting in your own way. Stop being that mountain you're trying to climb. Stop becoming that hill, that rocky place that you can't get past. You're getting your own way. And lastly, I do want to say, check out my stock option starter pack. It's there, it's available for everyone now to order. The price will go up soon. Honestly, I've been told multiple times, I'm charging way too little for thousands of dollars worth of information. You know, a 3-hour course on something which is extremely detailed shouldn't be going for less than a few hundred. But again, you guys have got the opportunity now to go and check it out. Lastly, I want to say, everyone out there, have a great week. Please do not get in your own way this week. You've been doing it way too many times. You've been doing it way too many times. All of you out there have been doing this way too many times. Stop getting in your own way. So the very last thing I want to say is I have many different links in the description. It ranges. Of course, you guys now know my stock option starter pack is there, but also we have a free Discord. We have my link tree with all my links, consultancy links. We have everything there. And we also have my smartwatch company, TimeGate Watches. But thank you guys so much for watching this video. Be back here next time for another video. I go into making, you go into making. See you guys next time for another video. Peace.
Game over.